Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today I am going to read out to you an article Gora Model for Development, Democracy and Governance or Gandhi Plus is Gora. This is written by Dr. Nagulpalli Bhaskar Rao. My father Nagulpalli Sitaramaya died at 98 age in 2014. Until last minute, he lived in a minimalist lifestyle of Gora way and was always proud in recalling the association with Gora. Gora to my father meant not only Gora and Saraswatamma, but also the Nastik Kendra that Gora founded in our village, Mudunuru, Krishna district in 1938. Nastik Kendra to him was more than a school of change or a thought center, but a way of a value-based logical life. Nastik Kendra was not limited to atheism, but for reforms and change in the mindset of people and for a logical view and a holistic living. That Kendra averted then villages from falling prey to party politics that we witness today. As Gora, my father too believed that simple lifestyle is only sustainable way of enriching the country without losing out on its fundamentals and the principles imbibed in the traditions and the constitution as envisioned by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and many pioneers of the time. I first met Gora when I was 3 years old in Mudunuru. That was Gora's place. My father took me there, crossing a small canal outskirts of a village where villagers had built a cottage for Gora. That was where from Gora unleashed his philosophy, principles and ideas. By deliberating, debating with villagers and go into the middle of the villages, into the huts of Arijanavada and into hearts of villagers, all sections and communities, he evolved a model. From out of such intense interactions, he took to demonstrate the logics and basics with live experiments to demolish blind beliefs. For that, he took to adult education and to unique measures like Samuhik Bhojan. In memory of my father, I organized Samuhik meal in 2014 for the village with some of the members of Gora family attending it. Both my father and my mother, Nagulpalli Somidevamma, stood by Gora, took to his cause and adopted the lifestyle. While my father was with Gora in all his activities, my mother took to logistics for adult education. She started Kasturba Kendra. My mother used to clean nearly a dozen latrines every evening, fill them with kerosene to be taken to different sections of the village. Sekuntalamma, a Gora follower from far away, joined my mother in taking to the wheel to spin cotton and make that a household activity of the women folk in many other villages around. That was part of Gandhi's Khadi movement. My father also taught some of Gora's children, including Vidya. Arjun Rao Garu told me once that it was after my father's initiative and reception in Mudunuru that his marriage with Manorama, that is elder daughter of Gora, prominent intercaste marriages of the times in 1948, which Mahatma Gandhi himself wanted to celebrate at Sevagram, but he was shot dead before. My father wanted to reenact their marriage, but he died just before, which I took up and celebrated Vijayawada in 2017 when the then Chief Minister honored Arjun Rao Manorama couple along with 15 other freedom fighters in the premises built in my father's name. I was personally influenced by Gora's writings in Sangham, Nastik magazines in Telugu. Even more, I recall being part of entourage in going to villages in discussion session in the village library and witnessing the magic he had with his pleasant exchanges. And then in 1955-56, as a college student, I was part of 4 or 5 Gora's volunteers when he contested the assembly election from Vijayawada. When he demonstrated how one should do poll campaign different from political party candidates, I remember the argument near Vidiraju Meda on Eluru Road. In the street meetings, he addressed why they should vote for him. He campaigned on feet beating a drum himself. This made a lasting impact on me. I continue to refer to this model of poll campaign as a way out from Chakravyuha that Indian elections are trapped. I quoted this experience and referred to it in my writings, Why We Should Take to Gora's Partyless Democracy. The next incident I vividly recall was sitting with Gora and Saraswatama at the entrance of the then Chief Minister Kasu Brahmananda Reddy in Hyderabad in 1964 to impress upon those in power politics about simplicity and in protest against extravagant styles with vegetable garlands. Professor Gopuraju Ramchandra Rao changed his name as Gora. My father was known as Nasi. It was his foresight that caste community should not be part of identities of individuals as it inhibits their potential and disturbs harmony between communities. Gora believed that man is a rational social being, not an economic animal. Gora's elder son Lavanam was a good friend of mine for years. He was true embodiment of Gora. He was meticulous in explaining Gora's thoughts. He had spread writings with convincing logics and was responsible for taking global Gora's message and of Nasti Kendra until his death in 2015. Lavanam and me were at Dr. Martin Luther King Junior School of Social Change in Chester, Pennsylvania, USA in 1965-66. Lavanam took Gora's messages globally and kept Nasti Kendra's relevance alive. There was no one like Gora ever before or after, and even like Lavanam. With my nearly 60 years in New Delhi and being a close observer and analyst of national politics and author of books, starting with the first one in 1966, Politics of Leadership in India, and 3 books in 2018-19 on democracy, development, governance, and citizen activism, I have no hesitation in arguing that Gora's model is a better bet to pull India out from a Chakravyuham it got stuck because of competitive party politics. It is most appropriate that as we celebrate 150th years of Mahatma Gandhi and about to celebrate 75 years of our republic, we talk about Gora's model in my forthcoming book in 2020, Regenerating the Republic. I mentioned 6 features flowing out of Gora's model. First, remain bottom-up to approach of development with citizen activism. Second, no nation without logics, beliefs, and concerns on righteous course, not emotionalism or populism as we are engrossed today. Third, one should adopt a lifestyle of simplicity and sustainable, one without getting into one of greed-driven. Conflict of interest should be transparent. Fourth, unless we took to least expensive poll campaign, limiting to candidates' own virtues instead of indulging into competitive and vengeance-based campaign, we never benefit from parliamentary democracy. This is not possible unless we adopt party-less elections. Fifth, that we should have concern in the futures of next generation. Today we think of maximizing today and tomorrow, unconcerned of effects and implications of what we do today. Sixth, clarity about the kind of society we would like to live in. If secular, equitable, social justice and trusteeship ideals are not ensured, we lose out on our basic strengths. I pay my homage to Gora, Saraswatama Gora, Lavanam and Vidya, Hemalata and Vijayam, and hope the ideals with which Nasti Kendra was started in Mudunuru by Gora as a holistic model for development, democracy and governance is not forgotten. It is a durable option for a sustainable future. And this is the article written by the Chairman, CMS Research House Community Center Circuit, New Delhi, Dr. N. Bhaskar Rao. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to our Positive Atheism English channel presented by Samaran Channels, which has crossed more than 20 crore views. Please like, subscribe and share our videos, and for notification of our new videos, please click the bell icon.